We're here today at Sherry Chrysler, located in Piqua, Ohio. I've got stock number 28538T. This is a Ram ProMaster cutaway that we've put a Bay Bridge box on. And this is a 104-inch CA, so a longer box on this. 15 or 14-foot box. Wide window or mirrors on it. Got just the steel wheels. Take a look at the inside. I've got it equipped with the cloth seating and the vinyl floor. We'll get a look at the box here in just a minute. And this has got a 3.6 Pentastar automatic transmission, front wheel drive. We have cruise control on it, hands-free communication. Again, the 5-inch touchscreen radio, electronic stability control. You got a door that goes from the passenger area back to the cargo area on this truck. These trucks are under 10,000 gross vehicle weight. Single wheel. Got a nice slide up door on these. Inside we've got a 2x6 shiplap pine floor. Got a nice steel dot bumper. I do have a slide out ramp if you're putting stuff in with the cart. You could put skids in this. As I get inside, you'll see that there's plenty of headroom. Got over 6 foot, about 6'4". When you get past the door, you've got almost 6 foot 8 inches. Got tie downs, 5 of them on each side. LED lights in this. Studs are 16-inch on center, insulated ceiling. The bulkhead is made out of steel. The primary function of this vehicle is, to haul cargo. If you're an expediter, it'd be perfect for that. You do have the door that accesses to the cab right here. Once again, this is a Bay Bridge box. Solid wood floor, slide out ramp. (2018) model, 15-foot box on it. 15 by 7 is the measurements. And this is stock number on this one is 28538T. Just one of the many commercial vehicles we have here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. For more information on commercial vehicles, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.